Okay guys, so I'm back with another review, and this one is by Bobbi Boss. This is one of their HD Ultra Scalp Illusion wigs. It's a 13x7 deep lace frontal, and she's called MLF 476 Kina. I have her in the color HL613/blonde brown, which is so pretty. I love the whole blonde into the brown, although I'm not a fan of blonde roots, but I think it looks really good, so I'm here for it a little bit. Okay, now as you guys know, the whole HD Ultra Scalp Illusion is pretty much like the full scalp, because up top, like underneath the frontal, you get like a stretchable mesh material. It's like a nude color, so that's like the full scalp. I decided for this one not to cut it out because I wanted to see what it looks like after you, like when you part it. If you were to wear it as is, when you part it, what would it look like? And I think it looks a little bit better than the full scalp that we get by Outre. I think it looks a little bit better. It doesn't show as much, like with the line, you don't see it as much, so I like that. Well, I shouldn't say I like that, like I'd prefer them not to add the full scalp altogether, but it's okay, it's not as bad. Okay, so I have no problem with that. But let me just get into the whole cap construction and everything, since I'm on this whole full scalp thing. So anyway, like I said, it's a 13x7 frontal up front, and you also get 2 combs up front on either side by your ear area, and then you have one at the back with the adjustable straps. You also have an elastic band. It's an adjustable elastic band, which comes in really handy, and the rest of the cap is a stretchable mesh net material cap, so it's definitely big head friendly. And the stretchable mesh net material cap is actually one of the MediFresh Safe Clean cap. So guys, it seems like all the new Bobbi Boss wigs now are MediFresh caps or antibacterial caps, so keep that in mind. And I have no issues with that, because once they say MediFresh or antibacterial cap, that just means you're getting a stretchable mesh net material cap, which I love. To me, it's a little bit more comfortable. It feels a little bit softer. It doesn't snag on your hair or anything like that, so that's pretty good. But anyway guys, I decided to give this a center part because I just thought it looked better as a center part. I like the way it looked on the model, on the star card right here. Hopefully you guys can see it, I don't know, but I like the way it looked on her. She was wearing it as a center part, so I decided to, you know, put it like that as well. And I did not add any powder to the part, you guys. No, I did go in with a little bit of the lace tint spray up front, because you know you have like a little, like probably like ½ an inch of actual like regular lace before the full scalp starts, or the scalp illusion I should say. Before that starts, you have a little bit of regular lace, so that's pretty much what I added the lace tint spray to. I just sprayed that so that way it, at least the front of it, blends in with my skin complexion, and I was able to just lay the baby hairs down, although you're probably not even able to see the baby hairs that well because it's blonde, and once I brushed it into like, well, once I laid it down I should say, it got mixed up with my makeup and everything like that. So right now the baby hairs are just dirty, okay, dirty brown baby hairs. It kind of looks like this color, and it just blends right into my skin complexion, so you're probably not even able to see it that well. But I think for the most part the hair is really laid. Imagine getting this in like a natural color, not even a natural color, but just something with a darker root. Like this would be flawless. I love the way it looks. I love the way it's laid, although yes, I went in with my anti-frizz oil. I also went in with my wax stick and stuff like that just to help lay it down, but for the most part it's pretty laid. And the hair itself, you guys, so soft, very surprisingly soft. Okay, I expected it to tangle, I expected to look like, you know, very shaggy at the ends, but it's smooth for the most part. It's very soft, and I'm loving it so much. Now I am getting a little bit of shedding from this, so keep that in mind. You will get some strands. I mean, it is a synthetic wig, so that's expecting, and it's not, you're not really getting that many snags, but it just feels like eventually you'll start getting snags, so keep that in mind as well. Anyway guys, let me know what you think about this down below. Is it heat safe? Of course it's heat safe. I added heat to it, right? But it doesn't say up to how much, so just be careful. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer you as soon as possible. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at Wig Types, and I'll definitely see you soon. Bye.